Hi, this is Joe with the iPod Repair Clinic in another series of videos on iPod repair. This is going to be a very simple repair of a battery in an iPod Video or iPod Classic 6th generation 160 gig thick back. Okay, they're very similar, both of them. Okay, we're going to be using a thick battery. It's typically 850 mAh, and it's not the thin battery. I always want to use a thicker battery, and it's very simple. Again, what we're going to do to start is we're going to expose the corner, just a crack with our flathead screwdriver. What we're going to do then is use our spudgers and just very gently open the iPod on one side. We're going to come around on the other side, turn it around, and expose again the corner. What we're going to do now, don't yank it up. What you're going to do is just pick it up very gently, and you'll see where the battery terminal goes, battery cable goes into the terminal. What you're going to do is just pick it straight up, and then just keep it together like that, kind of like a book. As you see, the battery is already in front of you, and it's slightly bloated. That's very common with these batteries. After a while, the lithium-ion batteries become bloated. Here's a new battery, very similar. You can see how much flatter the surface is. And what we're going to do now is go in with our spudger on the right side. Don't come anywhere near the hold switch flex cable. And what you're going to do is just pop it up very gently on the corner here, and you'll see there's a couple of pieces of adhesive that are already there. There's no need for additional adhesive. And like I said, we're using a thicker battery. We're not going with a thin battery, or we're not going to do the 300 either. It's a very simple repair. Once we have the battery in place, just make sure that that's secure. And we're going to close it down again. We're going to take the cable very gently and insert it into the battery terminal with your fingernail. Do not open the gate. Do not touch. Okay, we're going to turn it on. And then we see that it's waking up. Typically the batteries have a charge, but lithium-ion batteries have a tendency to lose their charge even though they're not being used. So that's not a big deal, as long as we see there's life in the battery. All right, that should do it. It's waking up now. I'm going to make sure that it comes all the way up, and then we're going to wish you all the best. Just listen. Good noises. There we go. It has woken up and it's ready to go. All right, thank you for joining me on another one of our videos, and I hope to see you on the next.